The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, east central Jasper County in southeastern Texas, southern Tyler County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jasper, Warren, Fred, Town Bluff, Wildwood, Thicket, Spurger, Village Mills, Mount Union, Magnolia Springs, Motop, Ivanhoe, and Helister. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.